is Marcia Campbell, 8th grade physical science teacher here at Foundation Academy. Wanted to take a minute just to bring you into our classroom so you can see what goes on here behind the scenes. The classroom is set up is for a collaborative learning environment where the students would sit together in predetermined groups of 4, and they will work with their partners. Sometimes the project or the assignment calls for an individual task. Also, what we do a lot of hands-on activities. We're learning about the periodic table, and basically I want the students to be actively engaged. So I created a project. So what they're supposed to do is first, we're only doing the first 36 elements. And what they're assigned to do is create a brochure. So here are some of the work that the students have put in so far. So they create a brochure. The first 36 elements, and then once they create the brochure, they'll take a quiz, and it gets better. The second part to this project is they're going to be working on creating a model. It will be assigned element, and they would have to research that element, figure out the uses. They would also have to create this model here. Model has to fit in a jar, so it's called an element in a jar project. That we had was pretty exciting, where the students were actively engaged. They were learning about classifying mixtures, and we were on a particular unit where we had to classify solutions. So the students, they were given a task, and it was more of a challenge where the winner had to correctly demonstrate the solution being the most diluted to the most concentrated. Take a look. Who do you think won? Of discussions in this classroom where I like to take learning outside. So once we hit physics, because right now we're in chemistry, so once we hit the physics side of physical science, we do a lot of outside activities, acceleration, force, and motion. And I took the students out of the ball, and that's how I taught the students, is teach them by learning, and teach them by researching, and teach them by having fun.
8th grade physical science.
And we're trying to make a paper speaker.
This is our final project of the year, and here's our project.